Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and locate the Leak 2 effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Effect, Video Effects, Light Effect, scroll down to find the Leak 2 effect, click and drag it down to the timeline. We're going to just scroll through with the player head to check it out. Now we're going to bring it to the end of the clip. And now we can go up to the Special Effects tab and mess with the atmosphere and the speed of the effect. And we can also add keyframes. So I'm going to show you guys how to add a keyframe. So in the beginning of the clip, we're just going to add a keyframe by decreasing the atmosphere all the way down, putting a keyframe there, and then bringing the player head over here, bring the atmosphere all the way up, and then the keyframe automatically adds. So let's check it out. And there you have the Leak 2 effect. Guys, if this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.